Afternoon, Sharon, and how it's going?
Yeah, yeah. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm pretty good, and who are you?
Yes, I am also very fantastic. I am very good nowadays. And uh, met after a long time. It is the second
Yeah,
time.
we met
I
for
think that.
long.
And let's introduce ourselves, each other. Yeah.
Yeah, we can introduce
Okay.
yourself. So, probably, long time no see. Fancy seeing you here too because of some
Yeah.
schedules. Finally, we meet. That's fantastic. Okay, so I'd like to give my introduction first. So, Hassam and Moshi, I come from Bangladesh. If you tell them my qualification, I'm just in class 7 in the Bengali medium school as a Bengali medium student. If you tell about my skill that I'm currently developing in is British and American accent, and with that, I have a YouTube channel where I upload English related videos, and my channel name is Mehzabin Moshi. Over there, I upload conversation and self content videos. Another thing interesting about me is I'm interested in neuroscience. That's all about myself. And sir, could you please introduce yourself too?
Yes, yes. Why not? Okay. Thank you. Yes, yes. You gave a good introduction, and to listen, your introduction is very good. I felt very good. Okay, it is my turn. I am from India. What is here to do? And my hobbies is teaching, speaking English language, learning English language, and I have two kids. And by profession, I am teacher of primary school. Yes, that's all about me. Yeah.
Thank
Yes.
you for giving your introduction. Probably. So, do you have any topic we could discuss about?
Yes. 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 I have topic that English language accent, which accent is very good and maybe beautiful to speak the English language because I speak Indian accent. So I think that you speak very good and British and American accent. So I think that let's talking about the accent. Which accent is good?
Uh, in this case, which accent is good? Number one, I like to give a disclaimer that many people tell that I forced myself to make that accent pronunciation happen, but probably I don't force myself. What I just did, it's I listen, I just catch, and I'm practicing with you in that accent. So probably I'm speaking in American accent. So probably British and American, Canadian, Australian, this for accent is Scottish, any accent probably. So I'll recommend British and American. For IELTS, you need extra skills like listening to Scottish and Australian, Canadian accent. Probably the main pronunciation of accent is like British and American. Between this, I found a thing, which is probably in British accent when we speak like British accent is too old fashioned. Number two, British accent is too smooth. And number three, British accent is actually helpful for formal conversations. Then, in case of number two, which is American accent, conversations. That's proper. So I'll recommend you at the first stage to learn American accent, to listen to American accent. Nowadays, you could easily understand my English because I'm speaking in American accent. But what if I speak in British accent? Then you'll not understand that probably because British accent is pretty critical about the T and R pronunciation. So probably at the first stage, I'll recommend the American one and the British one. So what do you think about this?
Yeah, yeah, right, right. Because American accent, I understand very soon. So British accent, I like some uh, l- difficult. So I think that the American accent is I like most, and but I want to know American accent. How I will learn the American accent? Uh, could you tell me about this?
In this case, if you want to learn the American accent, then probably you need two things. First of all, listening, then practice. It may be crazy, but it's too common to understand, but not that type of listening, not that type of practicing. Now, turn on your phone and just say, I'm telling to my audience and your audience that turn on your phone, just make that window open, then open a tab. Just search something of your American, like you love, motivational channel or, you know, playing channel, this types of things. So, what do you recommend? Just type the niche. Then, whatever in right now, I'm talking in American accent, so you can easily relate to it. Watch the video. Then turn on the subtitles. If the subtitles are not available, just follow along the transcripts. There are tons of with subtitles thing. So you have to turn on, read the transcripts, then pause the video. Right now, pause the American accent video. Then what you have to do is read the transcript with that pronunciation. I think that can help.
Yeah, yeah, right, right. Yes, good suggestion. And do you go to coaching center for learning American accent?
Probably, as I shared with you in another video, not any courses or classes, online or offline, or I'm in Bengali medium school, there is no chance who can teach me to develop my English in that accent. Probably my teacher is my cell phone. It's not my cell phone, it's my parents' cell phone. YouTube is my teacher. Hey,
Yeah, yeah, right, right. Yeah. Uh, how long have you been learning this kind of accent? You speak American accent, and which kind of tip you adopt that you speak like a British American accent? So I want to follow this. That I also want to know American accent. How I will talk, speak American accent. So I want to know about it from you.
so first of all, I want to tell one thing: turn off the blur option of your camera, because sometimes your face is getting blurred too. Okay. Another thing I'd like to share that you want to learn American accent, right? So
Yeah.
probably force yourself to learn that American accent. Just what you have to do is listen and practice. And another thing is I've learning this American and British accent for 3 years when I was 9 years old, COVID-19 time, when everyone stay at home, off at schools or off. So in this vacation, you can easily learn English. So probably I thought that. So probably I did that.
Yeah, yeah, right, right. Okay. Uh, many, how many video you make so far? Conversation video.
I think I don't know. I couldn't count it. Maybe 70 plus.
Okay. Yes, yes. You make blog video, and I watch two, three blog videos of you, and you made the blog video in a beautiful place where it's in your country. So I watch your video, and I like very much because you make this kind of scene and also video because there is the river and also uh, much more beautiful place like historical place in your country like I watch your blog video this a beautiful place is Taj Mahal. Is there Taj Mahal in Bangladesh?
Yep, the copycat of Taj Mahal. Why? Do you know about this? You know, the purpose of this making Bengali Taj Mahal is actually people or poor people, you know, they can't afford to go India and see the real Taj Mahal. So that he think that for the poor, for the needy one, I need to make one in Bangladesh. So he did.